Hi guys, it's me. I'm back after so long. I know you guys have been waiting. You know when you're posting on social media but you don't reply to someone's text? This is how I feel about not posting videos. Like, it's embarrassing. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. I give so much respect to all these people that are very consistent and are able to stay on top of this stuff. But you know, I'll get there one day. Anyway guys, I'm here today because I'm going to do a video review on a PR package, everyone. I'll be doing a review for HiSMILE teeth whitening. It was just amazing to get an email from one of their PR managers who wanted me to collaborate with them, and they sent this away. They sent this to me. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna open this and I'm gonna show you what's inside. This is my first time seeing it in the flesh, so we're sharing this experience. We're sharing this moment, okay? Ooh, fantastic. So I'm gonna open this. Bear with me. It's got like plastic on it, and like I have nails, false nails, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So, all right, we're getting it open now. Lovely stuff. Oh my god, isn't this just impeccable? Like, the packaging is just beautiful. Can you just focus? Okay, so oh my god, this is such a nice box. It's like opening an iPhone. The box, the packaging is so clean. It's just so prestige. I love it. So there's an instruction manual here, as you can see, which tells you how it works. And you can see those syringes. There's 3 syringes there. You can see there's also the mouth guards here. And the light. Oh my god, does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Oh. Oh, it's got like a seal on it. Oh my god. Okay, we'll sort this out in the bathroom. But anyways, I'm going to start off by letting you know that I have tried a teeth whitening kit before. That really went down not so good, and on my Snapchat I tried to like document it. I could not continue after one day, honestly. I'm going to use this kit for the next 6 days because apparently one kit lasts for that long, and I'll let you know how white my teeth get. Yeah. You do it for 10 minutes, then you rinse your mouth with warm water. This seems very straightforward. How can I mess this up? I hope I don't. Okay, so on the back, it tells you the breakdown of the ingredients. There is sodium bicarbonate, aloe vera gel, sodium chloride, pomegranate seed extract, and chamomile flower extract. There's a lot of natural things in here. And I'm not hearing peroxide anywhere. Yeah, like in the whole list. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my god, that's really sold me. Because the first kit I used, actually, it contained peroxide, like 15% or something, like a really high concentrate, and I literally got a chemical burn. Just don't. I was just really worried about that, so I'm really glad. Anyway, so this is the teeth guard. Oh, it's so scary. Definitely not a 13. Oh, we're getting closer. I feel like I'm a... What's this one? Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm definitely a 4. Okay, so then let's see how much I change in 6 days.
So guys, that's my happy dance because I'm on my way to a brighter smile. The kit is $49.99. I didn't get to show you how I attached the mouth guard to the LED light. Each syringe lasts for 2 applications, so that's 2 days worth. All you have to do is apply it on one side of the guard and the opposite for the top and the bottom of your teeth. So then you place it in your mouth as comfortably as you can, turn it on and leave it on for 10 minutes. The gels taste nice and minty, and there's no burning sensation or anything at all.
Hey guys, we're on day 6, and I feel like after yesterday's application I have noticed a difference. I don't know if it's just me, but I think how it works is over time it breaks down layers, and then suddenly you notice your teeth are whiter, because I was getting a bit disheartened about 2 or 3 days in. So hi guys, so I have used my kit for the last 6 days, and I will say I am not competing with Simon Cowell. My teeth did not become paper white, but there was some improvement. I thought it was just me, you know, kind of gassing myself or wishfully thinking it was gonna work for me, but I saw a friend I hadn't seen in a while, and she literally looked at my teeth and she was like, your teeth. I was really pleased to hear that, because no one else had said anything, like, but I guess they saw me every day, and like I said to you, the changes are gradual. It's not like instant whiteness. So I think with more use you will finally look as white as this t-shirt. Not really, but do you know what I mean? What did I like about this product? I loved that it's not harsh at all. I really liked that extra routine. I just felt like I was taking extra care of my teeth. And also, to be honest guys, I don't know if you're like me, but if you see like famous, insta famous people or celebrities endorsing a product in social media, for me, it makes me skeptical, because I feel like they're trying to make a trend or make money out of something that's not even worth it or good for you. And I was quite pleasantly surprised, because I really like this and I will be getting this in future, you know, when I get my coins. Yeah, I would say for someone who's looking for fast instant results, it's not for you. If you're someone who appreciates that good things take time and that you've got to be gentle on yourself, then I definitely recommend this for you. I also can't wait to try more of their products. I'd love to try their coconut mouthwash. That sounds delicious. It's been a pleasant experience, I can say.
As you can see here guys, I did go from a 4 to what I believe is a 2.5. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Thank you for subscribing so far. She got some